Hey guys, just wanted to do another quick video on how to replace a factory stock door for this aftermarket, well, it's a GM's own black fuel door. It looks much nicer. Should dress up the side of the car a little bit, so here we go. So the replacement is actually very straightforward, probably one of the simplest mods that I will do. And basically we just pop the door open, get a tiny little screwdriver, flathead obviously, pull this tab out and slide the door out. So unfortunately I wasn't able to do it one-handed, so I had to remove it without recording it, but as I mentioned, it's extremely simple. Take a tiny little screwdriver, put it over here, pull this little tab back, and the door slides right out. Here's the GM's aftermarket. Let's install it. So it aligns. You see a little tab here and a little groove. Make sure that's aligned and just push it forward and it snaps right in. And that's what it looks like. Much nicer than the stock one. Alright, hope you enjoyed it. Have a good one.